Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well today. I'm excited to introduce you to Stratify, a powerful CRM developed by Accent Corporation. You might be wondering, what exactly is a CRM? Well, CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management System. It's a tool designed to help businesses manage interaction with both current and potential customers. It centralizes customer data, tracks communication, and automates the various processes related to sales, marketing, customer service, and support. So who can benefit from using a CRM like Stratify? Sales teams, marketing teams, small business owners, and non-profit organizations can all leverage the capabilities of a CRM to enhance their operations. One of the great things about Stratify is that we offer 30 days free trial for all new users. After their trial, you can choose from 3 different subscription tiers: standard, professional, and premium. Each tier has its own pricing and features, and you can toggle between monthly and yearly payment options. With each tier, you gain access to advanced features that can significantly boost your business growth. As a new user, you might have some questions, such as, is Stratify suitable for small businesses? Absolutely. Stratify is designed to scale with businesses of all sizes, ensuring it meets their needs at every stage of growth. Can I trust Stratify with my data and security? Yes, you can. Stratify employs robust data security measures, including data encryption, access control, and compliance with industry standards to ensure your data is protected. Can Stratify be integrated with my existing tools and apps? Yes, Stratify can be seamlessly integrated with the existing tools through our API. I encourage you all to try out Stratify and take advantage of the free trial to see how it can help grow your business. This video is just the beginning of a series where I'll guide you through various features of the Stratify app. In the next episode, we'll cover the sign-up process and how to log in. Until then, take care and see you soon.